Hey guys. All right. I am going to do a quick vlog. I'm heading to dinner with my girlfriend. This is actually like a do-over from yesterday because we went to this place called A Car and yeah, it just didn't hit. It didn't hit right. It left us wanting more. And so we were really looking forward to some steak last night, and that did not happen. And so we're gonna try again at one of the restaurants that I know does good steaks, and hopefully my girlfriend will like it. But it is pouring cats and dogs out here today, and so I'm just keeping it very casual. I've got on like an oversized, well, let me show you. Just a little oversized. I'm wearing denim so that, if I get wet, it won't come through too quickly. I'm probably gonna put my hair up when I get on the bike. I need to ask the front desk for a raincoat because this is actually the first time I'm gonna be going outside while it's raining. So I haven't gotten my raincoat yet. So I'm gonna get a raincoat. I'm gonna go in the rain because that's what you do here. And so yeah, I've got on some barrel jeans. These are from Amazon, and of course I've got my Birkenstocks. I don't know if you can see those, but I have these Birkenstocks in like every color. So these are the silver ones. So you can dress it up. And gonna wear these shades. These shades I got in Thailand when I was there last. Just a little pop of color to go with the color in the top. And because it's raining outside, I have to keep it very casual with my bag because I need to put my raincoat in here. I need to put like a little hand towel just in case I get wet to wipe off. And that's about it. So let's go have this steak, guys. Hopefully we will have better luck this evening. Cheers. All right, guys, this is some footage from the restaurant that we went to last night called A Car. As you can see, there's lots going on here. We have dancers hanging from the rooftop. And yeah, so, I think this place actually turned into like a club after they do dinner service. But there's just like a whole lot that was going on. And the food just did not come out the way that we were anticipating. And so yeah, cool place. Entertainment was great, interesting, nice vibe, but I think they have so much going on. Here we are getting dessert, there's fire, there's flames. And when we got this cheesecake is what this dessert is supposed to be, it actually didn't even it was not worth all the theatrics. So like I said, we're getting ready to do a do-over this evening at a restaurant called Batu Bara. And so here we go. All right, guys, I got my coat from the front desk. I'm about to put this on.
Like you went from.
Huh? What'd you say?
Yeah.
There we go. So I'm about to put on my raincoat. Oh, that part is pretty small. Just in case it rains.
Okay.
Do I have it in the back?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so I'm all set, guys. My
Helmet?
raincoat. Yeah. Yes, helmet. Yes.
Ah, good.
Yeah. All right, so
Where are you from?
Caribbean.
Caribbean.
All right, I'm all set. Getting the dinner, guys. I survived the ride. It was a little bit wet, but not too bad. I'm here at Batu Bara, which is well, so far it's my favorite steakhouse in Ubud, Bali, and this is the menu. I don't even need to look at it really because I know exactly what I'm having. I usually always have the ribeye with a side of their hand-cut French fries right here. But they've got some good things. The empanadas are good as well. So yeah, we are here, and hopefully my friend enjoys this because yesterday we had not the best experience at the restaurant that we went to. So wish us luck. Cheers, guys. Let's get this footage. Alright, we got some ribeyes coming up here, guys. Did you save my rosemary, or did you put it in the fire already?
Yes, I did. Can I bring you a new one?
Yeah, that's fine.
I think the chef bring me like no leaf.
Just a little one. It's fine. Yeah, I like to have that little flair on there. Thank you. Alright, so we have our ribeye here, guys. I need to cut into this. So hopefully this will be, and then I also got some French fries. And look at this, a little strawberry, roasted strawberry with mascarpone gelato. I'm getting ready to get into this, guys. It looks yummy. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for joining me for dinner. If you enjoy these videos, remember to like and subscribe to the channel as I live and discover Bali along with you. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below.